Warning, the following video contains content that some may find disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised. Top 5 Scary and Bizarre Lights in the Sky. Number 5. Hessdalen Lights. The Hessdalen lights are an unexplainable optical phenomenon that appear in the sky above Hessdalen Valley, in rural Norway. Observers of this strange phenomenon report seeing unexplainable masses of light that float above and through the valley. These lights can take various shapes, including orbs, ovals, and helixes. They can appear in various colors, but are usually white, yellow, or red. Unusual lights have been reported in Hessdalen Valley since the 1930s, and have since attracted many tourists interested in seeing this bizarre phenomenon. The most activity observed in this region occurred between 1981 and 1984, when the lights were sighted between 15 to 20 times per week. Since then the lights appear to have died down, with only 10 to 20 sightings made yearly. Many theories exist on the cause of Hessdalen lights, but despite ongoing research, there is no convincing scientific explanation for this phenomenon. Number 4. St. Elmo's Fire. St. Elmo's Fire is an electromagnetic phenomenon that has often been reported to occur on ships at sea. This phenomenon is described as being a purple-blue plasma that discharges from sharp-pointed objects, such as the masts on ships. The discharge is often accompanied by a soft buzzing sound. This phenomenon is most often reported to occur during large storms, however, has also been reported to occur near violent volcanic eruptions. Reports of St. Elmo's Fire date back to as early as in ancient Greece, where it was referred to in works by Julius Caesar. Various other notable people reported sightings of St. Elmo's Fire, including Charles Darwin, who wrote, "Everything is in flames, the sky with lightning, the water with luminous particles, and even the very masts are pointed with a blue flame." Number 3. Will-o'-the-wisp. Will-o'-the-wisp is an atmospheric ghost light seen by travelers at night over bogs, swamps, and marshes. The phenomenon goes by many other names such as Friar's Lantern and Foolish Fire. Will-o'-the-wisp is described as resembling a flickering lamp that hovers over the water in marshes. In European folklore, will-o'-the-wisp is said to recede into the distance if approached, drawing travelers away from the safe path. Although there isn't much modern documentation on will-o'-the-wisp, for a long time it has been reported all over the world, from Mexico all the way to Australia, where it is known as the Min Min light. Common theories on the cause of will-o'-the-wisp include the ignition of swamp gas, and on bioluminescent microorganisms and fungi. Will-o'-the-wisp is rarely seen today, which is believed to be the result of the drainage and reclamation of swampland in recent centuries. Number 2. Iridescent clouds. Iridescent clouds are a phenomenon in which clouds will irradiate unnatural colors, giving the appearance of a puddle of oil. Often called rainbow clouds, this phenomenon is believed to be caused by the diffraction of light through very thin cloud layers. This phenomenon can create dreamlike and seemingly unreal imagery for its observers. Because of their mysterious nature, some believe iridescent clouds can symbolize a spiritual meaning or predict future events. Number 1. Ball lightning. Number 1 on this list is a destructive phenomenon called ball lightning. Ball lightning is described as being a glowing spherical ball with fuzzy edges. It can range from 0.4 inches to over 8 feet, and appears in a wide range of glowing colors, with yellow being the most common. After it is materialized, ball lightning can last for over a minute before disappearing, during which time it can float through the air and through objects in unpredictable trajectories. It has been reported to be both attracted to, repelled by, and unaffected by physical objects such as cars and telephone poles. It has been reported to both float straight through solid objects as though they weren't there, as well as to melt or burn any physical mass that it comes in contact with. Ball lightning has been reported for hundreds of years, yet no scientific explanation has been given. Scientific data is scarce due to ball lightning's infrequency and unpredictability. Many people have been skeptical of its existence. However, in January of 2014, the first ever video of ball lightning was published. Ball lightning is reported to disperse in many different ways, such as by suddenly vanishing, slowly dissipating, absorbing into an object, and exploding violently. After exploding, ball lightning leaves behind the odor of sulfur. One instance showing the destructive capabilities of ball lightning occurred during the so-called Great Thunderstorm at a church in Devon, England, on October 21, 1638. During a severe storm, 4 died and 60 were injured when what was described as an 8-foot ball of fire struck and entered a church. The object entered with enough force that heavy stones were thrown from the walls and pierced large wooden beams. After the incident, the inside of the church was destroyed, the pews were smashed, and the windows were shattered. The church was left filled with a foul sulfurous odor and thick dark smoke. Because of this, people claimed that the ball lightning was from the flames of hell. Afterwards, people blamed the incident on 2 men who were playing cards inside the pews, thereby invoking God's wrath. A more recent encounter was in 2014 on board United Kingdom flight BE 6780. Passengers reported seeing a glowing orb materialize in the forward cabin, seconds before lightning strikes the nose of the aircraft. To this day, ball lightning still continues to elude scientists, and it truly is an unexplainable phenomenon. Thanks for watching this top 5 video. If you found this video interesting, be sure to give it a like, and subscribe for more.